Mary's Wedding's in the key of G, which means it has one sharp, F sharp in it. But because the tune doesn't actually ever play F, we don't need to worry about that. So to all intents and purposes, it's just like playing a tune in the key of C, on the right hand, on the treble hand anyway. On the left hand though, we have to be playing in the key of G to start off, which is of course the button above C, and we'll be using mostly the button above G, which is D, and the button below G, which is C. And just one last thing to say before we play Mary's Wedding is the very first three notes are three Ds in a row. And what you don't want to do is play them like I just did with the same finger, well, thumb, 3 times in a row. Because it's fair enough doing it nice and slow like that, but it's very hard to play it 3 times in a row. You have to move your whole elbow, or your whole forearm up and down off the keyboard. And also every time you lift it off, you've lost your point of contact with the keyboard, so you could come round and hit the wrong note when you come back to it. So a much better way to play 3 notes in a row is to do thumb, forefinger, thumb. So I tuck the thumb underneath the forefinger, like that. Once again, thumb, 2, thumb. And that's your basic triplet. So here we go, Mary's Wedding.